Right, here we are on Alistair's pick, Stanley flight locks. Alistair and Steve down there. Zoom out. There we go. That's where they are. This is our intro. Everyone else is spread out up here. So there we go. Back in Liverpool again. Like I said, Alistair's pick. West Dragon magnet, so he's wanted the locks down here. Yeah. What can I say? Scrapman sorted. He's going to pick it up the same afternoon, or same day, same afternoon. He's actually fishing with us. So yeah, scrap done, sorted already. So yeah, we've already sort of technically shifted our scrap. Make sure you shift your scrap as well. Yeah, use the directory. Dippers and scrappers. I keep calling it scrappers and dippers sometimes, but you know what I mean. If I do that, you know what I mean. The directory used by the Northwest Magnet Fishing Crew. Check it out. Probably got plastered over my face, the big picture, but don't matter. Oh no, she's skipping. She won't know her. You waving at me for? Don't say you found something decent. Not even fished yet. Keep finding decent stuff. Right, move down here. There's my camera. I'm having a dip here, along here. But Paul's called me over. I've got like a gas can out where everyone's gathered there now, waiting for AJ to arrive. There is a big safe. Me and Paul at first, then me and Steve and Paul, and then the troops are coming now. See if we can get it out. Hopefully the next clip will be a big white safe on the side. Right then. Oh, we got Neil as well. Hey, forgot about him. Right. Oh, yep. Safe is stuck there. It's not coming out. Clips are going to be out of order because we've just had a little party up there for Steve and Alan. So come back down, and not in this order, but I've got that weird thing, I don't know what it is yet. That St. Patrick's hat that came up with a spoon and then chunks of metal there. That pole was next to thing, and then I just pulled out that stunt scooter and I rode it down to the bridge where Alistair and Steve are fishing. Steve's still up there at the party, and Steve pulled something out. It was amazing, so it distracted us all before the party. So yeah, there's a boat coming through now as well, so I'll get one cheeky dip out and then I'll wait for the boat to pass. Happy birthday to you.
You're making me blush.
birthday to you.
Steve and Alan.
Steve and Alan, where's Alan? Alan's on his coat. Oh my god, miserable Basil. Yeah. Hip hip. Hey! Hey! Time to talk.
Get your butt over here. Miserable guest.
Play your bloody camera.
He's happy.
How dare you?
He's on his birthday bench.
He doesn't look happy, but he is happy.
He is happy.
He is happy.
Inside.
Just turn around and first not be out for bloody me.
Bloody dilly dallying.
You've all been sat here for over half an hour, haven't you, waiting?
Yeah. Pulling.
Let's get a picture of Steve's card.
Oh!
What?
Look at that.
Love it.
Fuss you wax the bush then.
Can't light up and blowing
It's
out.
spiky. Look at that. Some guests as well. JJ and his girlfriend. I think it's JJ anyway. Yeah, it is. I'm rubbish for names.
Yeah.
It's over there. Got some beer.
Love it.
It is alcohol-free beer, I will say that. There we go.
There we go.
Look at that.
Happy birthday to Steve. He's a big kid, isn't he? That count as a kiddie cake. That's a kiddie cake, isn't it? Where's the 7-year-old badge? Where's it?
I'll have to say happy birthday again on camera to you because you couldn't camera to it, so I thought, happy birthday.
That's special, you get it twice.
Right. Move up to this corner a little bit. Right. Got that big chunk of twisted metal. A couple of bars and that. Here, 4-wheeled scooter thing. Yeah. It's alright, isn't it? Crackers. But yeah. Chair. Like that. Hold the camera a bit weird. I'm going to head to this corner here as well. Second. I'm going to do a crazy edge dip. I'm going to edge dip it all the way down here. Yeah. All to that corner. Hopefully not thrown into that corner yet. Scoot, you seen that yet? And that was the next fence pin I got. Oh, excuse me. And that was the next, excuse me, chuck after the scooter, I think. That scooter. Got that bike and I moved up to that corner. There we go. It's grotty, proper grotty. BMX, but it's all grotty. The handlebars are half missing. This is a shame, but I might do a crazy edge dip up to there. And go. Yeah, crazy edge dip and go up to that corner now. Right. Well, yeah, man. Right, I've moved off that side now. All my scraps at the top of the block there because Alistair's picking it up from there. Got some more piles. I've just had all that from here. Yeah. This little bit here. Where magnet is, and there's something heavy down there. I was going to get me a little hook, but no, okay. I don't know about that yet. Oh, okay. Right. I'm going to show you now. Big heavy point peg it looks like. I think. Bits and bobs. Rolled these fence pins. That's quite weighty, that bar there. And bar. Got a hammer. There we go. Got a hammer. Got some good tool. Bring you back if I get anything else. Right. Scrap pile. That wasn't ours, but I've moved it anyway. There we go. I don't get that reference, so I don't care. There you go. All loaded up. That van was nice and clean before we started. Look at that. All taken away today. Marvellous. Who's that? There we go. Be loaded up. Right, there we are. We're finished now. Everything's packed up in the van. All the scrap metal's gone with Alistair, so we don't have to use the dippers and scrappers directory this week because Alistair's shifted it. So, but you lot shift your scrap, use the directory. Yeah, I've got that cool hammer. It's one of the finds. Loads of fence pegs. Loads of money again this week. Yeah, cheers for watching. Smile you later.